Let's try CVC spelling super task cards from Litcentric. The first thing you'll need is your notebook. We write down the name of each task card that we work on, so our teacher can check our work later. In this case, we're going to work on some task cards from the CVC short vowels spelling cards. You can find the name of the task card you're working on the envelope of your task card. You also need to write down the number of the task card you're working on. You can find the number at the bottom of your task card pieces or also on the envelope. The first activity we're going to work on are the spelling puzzles. In this case, we just show you a few spelling puzzles. There are more in your task card envelope. You need to search through the puzzle pieces and find pictures that match. Looks like we found a few matches so far. Oh, here's our first match. Looks like we have a picture. Looks like a van. Underneath the picture, it says the word van. We're going to check our pictures and each word for these spelling puzzles. Looks like we're almost finished. Oh, we found the last pieces. Now we need to read each word carefully to make sure that it makes sense. App, cap. The picture and the word should match. After you've completed each puzzle, you need to get out your notebook. It's time to write down the words that you spelled. Van is our first word, V-A-N. Next is can. We write down each word that we made with our spelling puzzles. Remember, you'll have more task cards in your envelope than what you see here in the video. After you've written down all the words, you can get the answer key. The answer key shows you how each word is supposed to be spelled, and it has the picture next to the word, so it makes it easy to find the one you're looking for. All right, great job on the spelling puzzles. Now let's take a look at another task card in this set. We're going to work on picture word matching cards. We're just going to take a look at a few of them today. There will be more in your task card envelope. Lay out your picture cards and pick up your word cards. You need to use your sounds to read each word card and then match it to the correct picture. Sometimes you may have to try it more than once. And can. Great. Our last word, van. Go ahead and check each word to make sure it matches the picture. If you make a mistake, it's easy to swap out the cards. Once you've finished, don't forget to write your words in your notebook and check your answers. Let's take a look at another activity in these task cards. We're going to try the sound swap. There are 3 different types of cards in this envelope. There are word cards, and picture cards, and letter cards. First, take a look at a word card. You need to find the vowel that's missing. Sometimes it takes a little while to figure that out. Here we go. Let's try this. Van. Hey, we have a picture of a van. Now we need to write down that word in our notebook. Let's try another word. In this case, we use the same vowel. And can. And there's the picture of our can. Match it up. And don't forget, write the word in your notebook. When you're all finished, you'll check your answers. In this case, we're going to move on to our last activity in these task cards. We're going to work on write and wipe spelling cards. Here's just a few to get us started. You need a dry erase marker and an eraser. This eraser is wonderful because it's soft and easy to use and your marker fits right inside. For this activity, you check the picture on each card. You should know the pictures by now. You've worked on a lot of task cards already. When you read the picture, write down the sounds that spell it correctly. App, cap. Let's try another one. This is a cab. Spell each word as best you can. Cab. Our last picture looks like that van we've seen before. And van. Now that we've written all of our words, we need to go ahead and check our answers on our answer key. You can use the pictures to help you find the words on the answer key. Uh-oh, it looks like we spelled this word incorrectly. Let's go ahead and use our eraser and fix our mistake. Cab. Now we have it written correctly. After you've finished checking all of your words on your answer key, don't forget you need to write them in your notebook. Great job today working on all of your task cards. Don't forget, it's time to clean up each task card. Make sure all of your pieces make it back into the envelope that has the same number as the pieces on your task card. That way, your friends can find your task card next time.